What's good, y'all? Aggie Eagle Vlogs back again. Got the boys out here, got Abnormal, getting some shots. Got the cars lined up right now. Got Mason the Queeds yet again. Cue the adventure music. Got Mr. Eagle, got Kratos. Have you named this car yet?
Not yet.
Okay, no name yet. But check out the newest in the Aggie Eagle Vlog family. Norman done finally gave up the Toyota and came over to the BMW. Look at this, I love this. Got the black accents here, got the black with, is that chrome lip? I think that's kind of a chromish lip. Maybe it's machine polish. He got that butter pucco on the inside. Look at that. Brand new Pirellis with the 255s in the back. Is that 235s or 225s in the front? No, what are you working with? We're gonna blur out that tag. Y'all can't see that tag though. 225s in the front. Y'all take a look at the inside. Yeah, it's clean. Y'all know Norman's a clean man though, so we expected this car to be clean. Oh, it's unlocked. Oh, it looked like it was locked. Yeah, it's locked.
Oh, locked, my man.
Take a look at the inside of this. You know, the G20 is one of the sexiest looking 3 Series that they've ever created. He's got disrespecting it. One of the things I'll say about Macy's car that I loved when I test drove, the seats are very, very supportive. Like the bolstering, they're like perfectly set. A lot of cars have the bolstering options, which I think, Norm, you got the automatic bolsters? You got the adjustable bolsters? Yeah, so with unnamed white BMW, you see this right here, he can actually adjust the lumbar so it'll tighten up, all that good stuff.
I'm in between two.
You in between two?
Yeah.
We're here in Salisbury, North Carolina, home of Cheerwine. They actually just had the Cheerwine Festival last weekend.
They did?
Yes, sir. Yeah. All right, Norm, so it's been, how many days? It's been a full week now? You got it last Saturday, right?
Yeah, last Saturday.
All right, so what is your impressions after kind of spending a week with it? You know, did you find yourself going on more drives than you needed to, going to that extra grocery run, any of that kind of stuff, or you kind of just chill?
Nah, actually I did.
Okay.
It's like it's all about learning the car.
Yep.
Learning the quirks of it. I mean, it ain't my Camry.
Right,
so
right.
I'm noticing a different power, you know, different, you know, the drive modes are different.
Slide this way with me.
Drive modes are different.
Yeah, I'll cut
so
that
it's
part
kind of
out.
like, huh?
You know what I'm saying? I'll cut that part out.
Oh, okay.
I'll cut that out too, that I just said I'm cutting it out. I'll get the laugh. Maybe I'll leave that in.
No, but I mean, honestly, I really feel like those numbers are basically like not true what they say on the spec sheets. Yep. Because that is not 255.
Yeah.
That is not 255.
Yeah, that BMW is notorious for that. They always underrate their cars, and you know, all the SAE, all that kind of crap numbers they push out. But yeah, I didn't believe it. I mean, even that time we rode in one with 3 grown men in the car, the way it was riding, I was like, yeah, it's no way in the world that's the horsepower. That might be close to the wheel horsepower, but that engine's cranking like 290, something like that. Well, so yeah, that makes a lot of sense. All right, y'all, this is the inaugural drive of Mr. Norman, aka Abnormal. So we're not going to do anything too crazy today. I just found a circuit on the Porsche Roads map. If you've never used that app, it's great for finding drives. Norm. There you go.
This truck out, y'all.
I'm not. Dang, I missed shifted.
Trust your car.
You okay? He learned.
Did he break in that corner?
No, he didn't. But I'm on his ass. Let me back up off of him. Let me give him some space.
Looks like right before the bridge. I'm gonna try to jump these. If your car's not in sport mode, put it in sport. Here we go.
Accelerate through the corner. Accelerate.
Accelerate once you get through the corner. There you go.
There you go, Norm. Ooh. Yeah, that was a nice one. Come on, Brandon, go.
Press the gas. Don't let off. Don't hit the brake. Just play out.
Oh, never mind. Slow down, everybody. Lexus. That's nice little.
You see the slow down? Oh no, I was actually about to go around.
Ah, damn. I'm with you. I'll figure it out. You know I'll figure it out. Oh, you got two cars that go in front of now. Go, Norm. Oh. That was real dangerous. Oh, yeah. Accelerate through.
Oh, so keep taking off now.
Yeah, accelerate. Just keep it. Dang, I missed shit. I don't know what happened to him. I like this.
You said you like what?
I like this little 3-car posse. Norm, you bet. Yeah, we get him on, we might be all right now. It'd be a nice little foursome. Nice little foursome.
Go, Norm.
Gotta go.
Out here in the middle, we got red, white, and blue over there. Well, Sonic gray, but kind of looks blue. Anyway, Mace is coming up. He blew his launch.